Right now, we're seeing an intriguing spike in world sentiment, with a score of plus 0.06 and a momentum of plus 0.15. This is particularly noteworthy because it contrasts sharply with the historical baseline, indicating a sudden shift in collective sentiment that hasn't been observed in recent weeks. What's even more interesting is how this sentiment is clustered into 19 distinct semantic categories, suggesting diverse underlying themes driving this sentiment change. You can leverage our API to not just get the sentiment score, but also dive into those semantic clusters for deeper insights. Imagine using this data to inform your content strategy, optimizing your communications based on real-time sentiment shifts. To explore this further, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Start building insights that matter.